Hey everyone, this is Carson Turner from Progressive Mobility and Medical here in Washington, Pennsylvania. Today we're just going to do a real quick little spotlight on a neat little product that we've recently installed on this manual wheelchair for a client. It's called a anti-rollback device made by Safety Mate. And so all manual wheelchairs have wheel locks on them that you set to lock the wheels for when you're getting up and transferring out of it. Well, people with dementia, Alzheimer's, cognitive disabilities often will try to get up and get out of the chair and transfer without remembering to put their wheel locks on. And so what the anti-rollback device is just a little bar that comes around the back of the wheel that prevents the chair from moving backwards. But the neat thing about it is it prevents the chair from moving backwards only when somebody is not in it. Because obviously when somebody is in the wheelchair and using it, you want them to be able to go backwards. So it's a really neat mechanism. There's a paddle that goes underneath the seat that when there's weight on the seat, it actually lifts this mechanism and allows the chair to move. As soon as somebody sits down on it, that mechanism collapses and it prevents the chair from rolling back. I said that backwards. As soon as somebody sits on it, it allows it to roll. When somebody stands up, the mechanism releases and it prevents rollback. So that's the anti-rollback device. Can go on almost any manual wheelchair. And if you have any more questions, just check us out online at progressivemobility.com or give us a call, 724-228-4568.